Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your HTC earbuds through wireless sound. So this method will be useful when you have, for example, the unstable connection between your earbuds and your phone or tablet, or when you, for example, cannot pair them with any device. So when you cannot pair them, you will actually skip this step. So when you are connected, you have to first of all just disconnect them from any devices and also just unpair. And right now we have to put both earbuds inside the charging case, the left and the right earbud. Close this case for a few seconds. Now just open it, and when you remove earbuds, you have to grab them just like that and click 3 times together on the both touch sensors. So I mean right here, 1, 2, 3. Indicators will turn red. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's not good visible. They will also blink for like 2 or 3 times, and then we will be able to find them on the available devices list after putting them back to the charging case. Close the case, open the case, remove them from this case, and take a look right now. If you cannot still find them, just restart the Bluetooth settings on your device. Accept the pairing by tapping on HTC earbuds through wireless sound 1, and we are right now successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.